Okay, now, again.
You say nothing fun ever happens in this town. Christy was on the bus, and when she was going by, these guys were cutting a tree branch. And they didn't pay attention to where they parked, so it dropped right onto the cab of their truck and busted out the side windows and smashed the top of the cab.
America's Funniest Home Videos is still alive in Clear Lake.
Record it.
Oh, don't worry. The driver told me there are already people down there recording it on their phones for Facebook.
Yeah, well, it should be on Facebook soon. People are recording it.
Babe, go to YouTube.
Facebook and YouTube.
Oh, I gotta check this out. I'll get back on this.
No, the city only hires the best.
Come on. I didn't get that.
I said to the same guys laying the sidewalk in front of the police station. It's nice that the city only hires the smartest and the best. And I thought you were stupid. They can't even hire smart people.